Hey everyone, if you've been playing Disney Solitaire, you know how fast your stars and coins disappear when you're unlocking new boards and chasing those big rewards. Lately, I've been seeing this hack method everywhere, claiming you can boost your stars and coins in just a few minutes. No computer, no complicated setup, just your phone. Now, whenever something sounds that easy, I get skeptical. So instead of just believing the hype, I decided to test it myself on my own account. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, step by step, and whether it actually worked or if it's just another overhyped trick. Let's find out. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. Once I got on the site, I used the search bar to find the Disney Solitaire Stars and Coins tool everyone's talking about. On the next screen, I chose my device type. I'm on Android, but there's also an iOS option if that's what you're using. After that, I entered my player ID, made sure it was 100% correct, and tapped Continue to move to the next step. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. All right, moment of truth. I reopened Disney Solitaire and went straight to check my stars and coins balance. And just like that, the extra resources were already there. No restarting the app, no waiting around. It updated instantly, which honestly caught me off guard. If you've tried anything like this before, let me know down in the comments what happened for you. Drop a like if this helped, and subscribe if you want more real mobile game tests like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.